So it appears going smaller truly is the pathway for success. uh, P&L recap coming up. Let's get into it. All right, so before I get into the actual P&L recap yesterday in the freaking snail's pace, granny low speed crawl we did all freaking day long. I got almost chopped into pieces yesterday trying to trade this range right here. And it didn't dawn on me that we're actually in a range until this last trade that I took that I got hung up in. And then it was clicked. It was like, Russ, we're not moving anywhere anytime fast. So, luckily for me, I haven't traded 5 contracts this whole time during the New York session. And if I would have been in this with 5, I undoubtedly would have got chopped to freaking pieces. Um, this was 1 to 2 contracts, just slowly chopping my way through it. You can see this better on this 2 minute chart. 88 to 111. Well, that would be great if I was buying at the bottom and selling at the top, but I kept buying at the freaking top thinking, oh, okay, well, this is where we push out and come up here to this pivot. And it just didn't. It just didn't pan out like that yesterday. Yesterday was like watching paint dry, which the NASDAQ never, ever trades like that. Uh, it was just, it was crazy. It was really crazy to watch. Because it wasn't that long ago, 2 weeks ago, we were having 30.1 minute candles, and here we are, barely creeping along. It was kind of a wild change of pace. But so I finally did it, y'all. 5 days, $5,100 clicked off in this account. It's over the threshold. Um, Thursday was the first day I traded it. I made almost $1,200. Friday, 1313, and then yesterday 1164. Tuesday today 1120, and then just tonight to get it over the threshold 332 to get it on the other side of being done. Ah, I feel like a big burden has been lifted off my shoulders. I'm not gonna lie. There's a couple of things I wish that we were able to do in Quantower, and maybe we can, and I just don't know it. But the ability to enter in, so this is the Asian session. This is a short with 5 contracts. Um, this is it covering 3, and then I moved the other 2 to scale them out. And I wish it was able to do that. So say you enter in with 5. I wish when it placed your sell order that it would do it in an increment of 3 and 2 or 4 and 1 to give you the ability to take the bulk off and then move your target higher or lower if you're short or long, if that makes sense. That has really helped me out this whole week, being able to take something not just for 2 points but move it up for 3 to 4 to 5 points. It doesn't seem like it makes a big difference, but it actually does, because instead of recouping, 1 contract and 2 points, is I think it's $30, I think. So if you're able to scale that up to 50 to 60 to 70, well, it starts to really add up quick. You see where I'm going with that. So and there you go. That's really it. It finally got this one done. And guys, if I had half, I would say even a quarter of the evaluations that I have blown up being within $100 of having them passed, I would have more accounts than I knew what to do with. Another set of two accounts that had, I think it was like $90 to go to get them passed, and I freaking got short thinking we were going to come down here and really retest the lows of the day, and blink, we got yanked back in the face. It was actually before this. I think it was back here, but it's frustrating, man. It's frustrating. So, um, the end of this month, for any of you listening who are not a big time streamer and you have affiliate codes for Apex and you want to trade those, I'm not even sure if I'm allowed to say that or not, but if I am allowed to say that and you want to trade, I'm going to be purchasing a crap ton. And when I say a crap ton, 20 plus 150K evaluations probably around the 20th of this month. And do I expect you to do 1-to-1 on what I'm going to purchase? No. But if I purchase 20 with your code, I would like to think you would recoup or return the favor in some way or another over a period of time. That would be awesome. I've spread that love around uh, with, I'm not going to say here name names, but with at least five other streamers I have used their codes and used their links. So if any of you all are interested in that, shoot me an email or drop me a comment. And guys, that is all for now, and I will catch you next time. Take care.